why should you study mathematics in school and college? In this video, I will give you simple reasons that will teach you why should you study mathematics in school and college. Have you ever wondered that how the famous pyramids were built, how it is possible for the man to land on the moon, how a person at one corner of the world could communicate with a person at another corner of the world, how your cell phone enables you to access everything? Well, the answer to all these questions is mathematics. It is mathematics that plays a pivotal role in the development of human civilization. For example, consider a world without mathematics. You will not be able to use electricity, your cell phone will no longer work, the airplanes will stop flying, even all the transportation system would stop. I mean, the whole worldly machinery would stop to perform any task. Can you live in a world like this? Well, the answer is absolute no. Similarly, you cannot live in a world without mathematics. Now let me teach you some valid reasons that will show you the importance and power of a mathematics. Personally, I always used to teach my students, mathematics teaches you the art of success. For example, consider this simple MCQs. The filament bulb is invented by Einstein, Newton, Edison, Tesla. Well, if you know the answer, you would definitely click on the right option. But what if you do not know the answer? Personally, I have observed that a lot of students leave it without clicking on any option. Let me repeat it. A lot of students leave it without clicking on any option. But mathematics teaches you never and ever leave it even if you do not know the answer. There is 25% chances that A option is right, 25% chances that B option is right, 25% chances that C option is right, or 25% chances that D option is right. Now let me ask you, if you do not know the right option of any MCQs, will you leave it or take 25% chances to click on any of these four options? I hope that you will click on any one option because there is 25% chances that you are right. Although we do not know the right answer, but we are 25% sure about our success. Similarly, we can use this technique in our daily life to find chances of our success in various complex problems. Thus remember that mathematics teaches you the probability of success. Secondly, mathematics is excellent for your brain. It develops your creative and analytical skills. For example, when you solve complex mathematical problems, your brain performs several operations. Your brain collects the data, analyze it, using different techniques to get the answer. Thus, by this way, your brain is well developed to even handle your daily life problems. Thirdly, mathematics is a universal language. It is understood everywhere. If you understand mathematics, then you understand each and every subject of science. One can say that mathematics is the father of a science. Without mathematics, you cannot imagine the existence of a science. Therefore, you shouldn't study mathematics for a degree. Rather, you should study mathematics for developing your personality and mind. For this purpose, soon we are going to launch course of school and college mathematics. We give you guarantee that it will be one of the most easy and simple courses of school and college mathematics. This free course would be available to everyone.